what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Divine. I'm a musical choir, minominak, drummer and a keyboardist. I have been for many years. I started making these videos as a space for music lovers like myself to check out our favorite artists and break down some of our findings that make them so fantastic. Make sure you follow us on Instagram at the Perseverance Reaction in order to recommend your favorite singers for us to react to. Hey, you killed it, you killed it, you killed it. Are you freaking kidding me? What's up YouTube? Hope you guys are feeling good. Today guys, we're back again with a new video. Today we're going to be reacting to Ikimonogakari. Pardon me if I didn't pronounce it properly, I'm really sorry. The title of the song is Bluebird, okay? The first take. This is going to be my first time checking this out. I've never listened to this before. I just heard about it that it came out recently, so I just want to give it a try with you guys to know how it is. Talk less right now, react more. Let's get into this video. The first take. Okay. Are we ready to hear her voice? I don't know about her before.
はい、来ました。
First time
どう
seeing
です
her.
か、リーダー。
今やいろんな国の人が聴いてくれてる曲だからね。
だね。
Wow.
ハローハロー。
呼びかけてる。ハローハローハローで
はい、
行ってみましょうか。
行きましょう。
よし、それじゃあ行ってみましょう。
Okay.
羽ばたいたら戻らないと言って目指したのは青い青いあの空。
Okay, this guy. Oh my goodness. Are you ready?
悲しみはまだ覚えられず切なさは今掴み始めた。あなたと抱くこの感情も今言葉に変わってく。未知なる世界の夢から目覚めてこの羽を広げ飛び立つ。羽ばたいたら戻らないと言って目指したのは白い白いあの雲。突き抜けたら見つかると知って振り切るほど青い青いあの空。青い青いあの空。青い青いあの空。愛想尽きたような音で錆びれた古い窓は壊れた。見え切ったカゴはほら捨ててゆく。振り返ることはもうない。高鳴る鼓動に呼吸を預けてこの窓を蹴って飛び立つ。駆け出したら手にできると言って誘うのは遠い遠いあの
I love her voice,
声。
guys.
眩しすぎたあなたの手も握って求めるほど青い青いあの空。
Hey!
落ちていくと分かっていた。それでも光を追い続けてくよ。羽ばたいたら戻れないと言って探したのは白い白いあの雲。突き抜けたら
This is incredible.
見つかると知って振り切るほど青い青いあの空。青い青いあの空。青い青いあの空。
goodness. Wow. This is a masterpiece right here. This is a hit. This is good. Oh my goodness, this was lovely. This was lovely. 100%. I love it. I love it. I love the moment you say, ahoy, ahoy. Like, that got me sure. That's blue, blue sky. Like, it's so good. I love the moments every time. I just want to join her saying, it's so good. It's so lovely, guys. This is a masterpiece. This is a hit. This was extraordinary. This was so beautiful. The clarity of my voice, and you guys hear that with me? That was good. That was good. That was so good. Every moment of this was extraordinary, guys. It was so good. It was raw. It was real. It was beautiful. Then the guitar playing, the violin, the drum. Do you guys hear what I hear right now? Because this is so beautiful. It's so beautiful, guys. It's so beautiful. It got my heart. She won my heart right here. Like, I wish I could bring it out. She won my heart. I was really intrigued. I was really into it, and I enjoyed every moment of it. I know you guys also love it too and enjoyed it. This is beautiful. This is so beautiful, guys. This is heartfelt. I felt this. This was different, and I just wanted to join. I wish I could just join her on the stage right there at the studio, like ahoy, ahoy. Like, I love the moments. I love it. And when she was singing it, it's a beautiful love song, and it hits different. It hits so different and so real. She just spoke my heart out, guys. This is so good. I love a moment of it, guys. Comment down below what you think about this video. Give us it thumbs up, share this video to as many as can. You know how it is. We'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you stay safe.
I just want a bag, like an old lady. I'm backwoods smoking, I don't own papers, past that 808. That don't shake her. Oh, bitch, you know I'm grinding like a pro skater. Baby mama bugging, I'm so quick to hit ignore. Buku bitch in my bed, I got scales all